if you got a deal that you need to close right now, if you got a deal that needs to close in order for your life to be good, or if you've got a deal that if it doesn't close, your life is going to be bad, you don't have enough deals. I'm going to repeat that. Okay? Stop trying to close the 4 things that will make or break your career and go get 40 more so that when one of those doesn't close, you're like, good. Good. Because I had no freaking clue how we were even going to handle all this business, right? Spend most of your time creating new business and then use systematic, unemotional follow-up, especially when you attach that follow-up to the outcome they're trying to achieve. Hey Alex, it's Matt here with Matt's Medical, calling to see if it makes sense to add the hormone replacement therapy to your offerings for your patients so we can help get you to that $40 million threshold that you're trying to get to in 2024. I'm on my mobile. Now all of a sudden, like, yes, I forgot. I want to get to that number in 2024, and giving hormone replacement therapy to my patients is going to help me get there. Okay? Let me call that Alex guy back. But if you just call and say, hey, I haven't seen anything on the contract and I'm just seeing, you remind them of all the good stuff.